What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name is Dan Warren, and this is Day One Tech. And today I have a 3-in-1 fast charging cable by BROWEY, BROWEY. It's got fast charging. It's got a smart chip in it. It'll switch between the different outlets, and it's got multiple protection. Soft silicone cable. It's an alloy connector. It's got a charging indicator, and it's got a lead cable strap to help keep it organized. Model PNX06. This has a Lightning, Type C, and a micro USB connection. One cable to rule them all. Okay, so let's open it up, see what it looks like. First thing I'm going to say is I like the color. Can't misplace this cord, that's for sure. And that's exactly what I need when I'm out and about. I need a cord that I can see. And this is a really nice, tough rubber here. It's got like little plastic pieces over the tips here to protect it during manufacture. But that comes off. And look at that. And that's the micro. But that's metal right there. That's nice metal. Here's the Lightning. The Lightning is for the iPhones and the iPods. And then the USB-C right there, same like the other ones. And here's the USB connector. Use the standard USB connector right there. That too is metal. So it definitely has a premium feel to it. It's rubber, and then you got this clasp right here. So you don't have to worry about this. So you don't have to worry about this going all over the place. You got a nice built-in strap. It's a leatherette type strap here. So you put that in your travel bag and good to go with whatever connection you're looking for. One thing I probably would say that would have been kind of cool if they would have had different color codings on the part right here, but I can take a marker and do that. So I plug it into my Xbox controller, and that's using the USB-C, and you can see right here there's a, you can see that little charging light. It's letting me know that it's got power going to it. Each one of them has that right there. So you can tell if it's getting power or not. It's a nice little touch. So you're not wondering, is that outlet dead? Especially in some hotel rooms. I tell you, sometimes I can't tell what's not working. But there I can see it's working, it's charging. These other ones are here. That was me just plugging in this doorbell. And that's using a micro. So I still have a couple of things that are using micro, so that's good. I don't have to go looking for a cord. I know this orange one is going to get me covered for whatever I need it for. And then the lightning. This is my iPhone XR. And it goes right in there. We're just gonna, yeah, works great. Yeah, let's try something here. Look at that. We got two things charging right there. Xbox controller, phone. All three of them are charging now. Got the Xbox controller, I got the phone charging, and I've got the doorbell charging. So, you know, I go to a hotel room, I make sure I bring this cord with me, or go on a shoot, make sure to bring this cord, and this is going to get me covered for everything. Only thing I have to remember is to bring not just the USB-C one that I usually carry, but one that has the USB-A that I can plug into the wall, and I'll be good to go. One cord. There you go. If you got any questions about it, hit me up in the comments. I will be putting a link to this in the comments if you want to pick one of these up. But yeah, I like this nice rubber here, metal connectors. Feels like it's built to last and built to travel. All right, to next video, remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I will see you all soon.